start it. That's all that.
What's that?
Ready to start it. That's all that. Alright, kitty, now we're fermenting you.
Filming?
I'm taking video of the kitty getting fermented. I've already got video of a dog. I figured maybe eventually we could actually get it up on the site instead of just the regular fermentator video.
Yeah.
But I didn't turn it on the first time around when I was getting off all the hair stuck on my phone. What up for Mooney's here, kitty? You gotta sit still. Quit turning around. I've only got one hand here. All that hair? Look at all that hair coming off of you.